on our way to Bluefields. And it's so nice and green up in here. We just passed Belmont and now we are headed to Bluefields. I'm looking forward to some roast fish and some fish tea. You know, fish is my favorite food. I love fish. Anything from the seas. Western part of Westmoreland. Wow, look at that, look at that. Woo. Wow, I saw that canoe. Is that a canoe? I think we're close to where we're going, because that's how we see everything. You have like a bag? We just passed Sandals and we are going to White House, Westmoreland. So we are actually close to the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. Guys, we actually passed Bluefields. It's a lot of changes. Lots of changes. The place that we were looking for did not see it. But anyway, we are heading now to border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, where we're gonna get some balmy and fried fish. So we actually now we are going to the White House town. Oh, look how beautiful this is. This is like nice houses. This is where the rich hides. got cars parking, waiting to get the good old bummy and fried fish.
No one park in the same.
All over there. Check it out.
No one park in there, so this guy looks like he can park anyway.
So guys, we are in the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, and we are about, hold on now, and we are about to get some bami and some fried fish and whatever else they have here. So this is what it looks like, guys. Different stalls, a lot of vendors, cars parking, and everybody just wants to get something in relation to fish. This is what it looks like, guys. On your way to Kingston, on your way to negril, you can stop here and get whatever you want.
Buy from me because I'm the show. Right. So me have it fresh, nice man. That's what I do from I was a child. I was 30. I know 30. I know. Yeah.
How much of the money?
908 for the fry one. This one is a fresh one. You can look. Fresh and nice.
Okay. Paul, they have the bami here, 900. Outside, she have coffee.
What do you say? What do you say?
Coffee, because we have to eat early. It's not like me who can stay out there and not eat.
Who won't hear me not eat?
Yeah.
One place alone do coffee.
Alright, so you said this is?
9.
So,
You have the hot one I can eat now.
no, I don't want to have it. I saw somebody eating corn. Where they get the corn from?
Corn? No, not eating, but I did. No.
Alright guys, I'm about to get some bami. What's your name? I'm gonna come back to you. How are you, sir? Right? And you were the first one that came to me. I just want to make some food. Alright? Where are you, sir? So guys, hold this please, hold it.
Give me 3 more. A wild can. Give me 3 now.
3 can, 10.
Chris, why you have your whole something at me? Hold it.
Wait, I give out 200 for me now. Yes, darling. Give back the one.
Alright, so we're going to take this.
Yes.
So guys, I'm about to buy some corn right here at the corn here. Sir, so what's your name?
My name is Christopher Columbus.
And how long you been doing this?
I've been here for over 40 years. I enjoyed putting all my bits and pieces together.
Wow.
It's a bit rough at times, but you know, you have to cope with all the situation.
And you're right at the border with
I'm right at the border between
and St. Elizabeth.
White House and between Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Right. But the name of this place is Scott's Cove Park.
Scott.
Scott, S-C-O-T-T-S. C-O-V-E-P-A-R-K.
Wow.
Scott's Cove Park.
Yeah, man, this is a nice, this good vibes. I like the vibes,
you know?
the togetherness. You can get anything you want. So everything is about fish.
The energy, everything is about fried fish. And steam roast fish, conch, lobster, shrimp, conch soup, fish tea.
Anything from the sea.
Anything from the sea.
Any river fish?
No, no river fish.
No river fish?
No, just strictly sea fish.
Yes, guys. So if you're on your way from Kingston or
Right.
you're coming from Negril or wherever, stop
Just
by and get your bami, your fried
Exactly.
fish, your soup. I just want to vibes with the locals.
Simple like that. Yeah.
All right, thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
So guys, look at it. So sitting here. So they actually have some like seat at the back here where you can come and sit down and check this scene out. So we just finished eating some conch soup, about some bami, and now we are just chilling out on the back here. And look at it, guys. Look at the view. Look at this. There are some birds. I think those are garlands or flamingos. Garlands. So look at the canoes. They're fishing boats. They just came in. I think they just came from the sea and brought the fish up to the vendors over here where they, you know, prepare them and then fry them. Then you can come on down and consume them. This is what the back area looks like, guys. And from the back end we have vendors over here. And settings. The prints are cool out over here, sir. Wow, it's so beautiful. And if you look closely over there, you can see where the sea meets with the little, it comes like it's a river slash maros here. And somebody told me that at the front here, it is fresh water, but if you go further out in the sea, it's salt water. And we have some nice houses up here. I don't know if they are hotels or inns. So guys, very beautiful. And this is in Westmoreland. Actually, we're at the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. So if you're on your way from Kingston or Negril or wherever on the south coast, this is what you would get, guys. This is one of Jamaica's gem. Fish, they're right out there. So we're still at the border. Just chilling on the back end. Here we have the water.
What is for Prince? No, so what's up? Hold on. Let's say something. Hold on. What is for?
Touch your hand,
You just touch him. Yeah, but we take dinner back.
Garland just sitting there chilling out.
No, what is one for now? You tell her this?
I tell them how far you are.
Oh guys, look at the blackbird. Blackbird just come and pay me a visit. It's coming in or it's going?
I go in. You just get a boost. You flow going faster.
So this is just a chill day, guys. Just a little outing up in the border of Westmoreland.
No, I don't want to. You're not listening to nothing I tell you. I'm not saying I take picture in never did it. So I don't know what part he still did it.
Blackbird, how are you? Blackbird. So that's the blackbird.
Because there is still drop going out, they put it right in this.
So guys, we finished eating. We were eating some bami and some soup and all that. So now we are walking down to the beach area to see if we can get some fish from the fishermen. And right here, this is a fish spot, guys. This is the one that you set in the sea to catch the fish. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of them right here. And this is what the surrounding look like. So now I'm walking. I'm walking and I'm walking and I'm walking down here to the beachfront. Lots of boats here, as you can see. So we have one boat right here, silver plate. Guess all the boats them have their own name. Guys, look at this water, man. Yep. See that? Okay. You get one better view of the sun. Let's check out all these boats. The fishermen then came in. I guess these are the fishermen that supply the fish to border for frying. We did eat that with mommy. And here comes the seagull.
Hey, one moment in there, so one moment in gone.
Yeah, no fish, sir.
All you two.
Picture with this.
So guys, it was a lovely day in Border and we are getting ready to leave. I had some fish. I had some conch soup. I had, what else? What else we had? We had some boiled corn, some roast corn. What the fuck, we had everything pretty much. And I enjoyed my time here. So this is a place, guys, that, you know, make sure that you visit